everyone, this is my final project for EE47, and basically I decided to make an interactive plush. So this is my prototype of a plush chinchilla. It looks more like a little bit of a hamtaro at the minute, but you get the idea. And basically there's an accelerometer in here that, depending on how you interact with the plush and tilt it, it'll make noises. So right now he's standing on his feet, so he won't make any noises. But if I tilt him to the side, he makes little, like, pitter-patter sounds. And let's get a little closer here. Oops. So if he's falling backwards, he starts making that noise. It's more of a, uh-oh, I'm falling backwards. And let's see if you can hear him when he's angry. There you go. Angry. He makes that noise when he's on his face. Let's see. Okay. Oops. Making him fall backward here. So, if he gets put on his head, he also makes another noise. Which is like, oh no, again. What else can he do here? He can lay on his side. It's kind of faint, I don't know if you hear it. He lay on his back too, which makes a little snoring sound, but it's kind of dim again, I guess you could say. Yep. Let me show you how this is working inside though. So basically I put this zipper here, so I'll open that. Whoops. Hang on there, little dude. There we go. Open this up here, and you can see I have this perf board here with all these wires I soldered here. And let me take the battery out here before it starts making a lot of noises. Okay, there we go. So I actually have this detachable battery. It basically makes it 5 volts from a 3.3 volt. Pretty nice. So that goes into these male header pins right here. Let's see, right here, yep. And as you can see, I have, this is actually VN, and this is ground. Kind of bad wiring color choice. I apologize for that. I was not paying attention, apparently. So then we have my speaker right here. It's an 8-ohm speaker that I attached to the digital 8 pin. Let's see, so digital 8 is on this side, but it's over here. And we have an accelerometer right here, which basically the orientation I set it for is these pins up here will be facing this way, and that will mark if the plush is facing forward. So depending on how I orient it, the accelerometer will pick up the plush's tilt, and the Arduino will do some processing to play a sound from the tone library into this speaker here. And then I just used some female headers here. Oh, sorry, I think I said this is male. Yeah, male. And this is a female header. So I could easily take out the accelerometer, and same thing with the Arduino right here. I could take this out too. Yeah, there we go. Very nice if I want to switch things up. And yeah, it was a fairly simple circuit. A lot of the time was just spent in figuring out how to do the math to get the orientation from the accelerometer based on the voltages I was reading in. And here's the soldering here. So as you see, pretty simple. Some other little issues that came into play were also the plush's size. Originally I made it very small, like about the size of this perf board actually, and that wouldn't do to fit all of the components in, so I had to make the plush larger. I had also read earlier that I should probably encapsulate the accelerometer so that static electricity doesn't affect it, but as per Matt's suggestion, he didn't think the static electricity will affect it that much, so I just went ahead and just shoved it inside the plush. So yeah, that is my final project with the little chinchilla that responds to this accelerometer. Yep, right there. Cool. Well, thanks so much for the great class, everyone. Alright, see you later. Bye.